Hi everyone, today I'm going to talk about wind energy. I believe that many people know about wind energy before. It's like kind of clean energy, that's it. However, do you understand the working principle and the specific information of wind energy? First, I will introduce the development history about wind energy and explain the working principle of it. Also, I'm going to talk about the disadvantage and the disadvantage or challenge of wind energy. At last, I will state the wind energy data in the world. In this part, I will talk about the development history about wind energy. In the ancient time, human has begun to use wind energy, but it's only used by the most primitive way, that using wind to push the sailboat. And then in the Middle Age, humans used various tools and buildings to change wind energy to mechanical energy. For example, use the wind to drive the water pump to get water from underground. Also, the windmill is the most classic way to use wind energy. And then in the nearly age, like the modern time, with the development of electricity, people combined wind energy and mechanical energy to create the wind power that most effective exact way to use wind energy. Working principle. Generally speaking, wind power is a process that wind change into mechanical energy by a fan blade, and then the mechanical energy make the generator to rotate. This process will let the generator to create electric energy. This is the working principle. And then something I have to talk about is that many people have a misunderstanding that the wind will push the blade to run. But the fact is that the wind blows on the blades and creates a pressure difference. This difference raises the blade and causes the blade to rotate. Advantages. The most important advantage of wind power is it is a kind of clean energy. It does not pollute the air like other power plants which use fossil fuels such as coal or natural gas. That will emit particulate matter and greenhouse gas. This will causing human health problems and global warming. Another advantage is wind energy is renewable. Wind actually a form of solar energy. Wind are caused by the heating of atmosphere by the sun, the rotation of the earth, and the earth's surface height difference. For as long as the sun shining and the wind blows, the wind power plant can make electricity energy forever. Next, another advantage is high space utilization. The wind turbines can be built on existing farms or ranches. This can be benefits the economy in the rural area. On the most land where wind turbines are built, farmers and the ranchers can continue to the farmer and the grazing. This because the wind turbines use only a small part of the land. Also, the wind turbines have very low operating cost. Once the turbo is first produced and installed, the operating costs tend to be reduced. Actually, once the turbos inserted, the operating cost almost close to zero. The advantages of America. First, the wind energy project can create jobs. The wind turbo technician is one of the fast-growing American jobs, and the U.S. wind sector employs more than 100,000 workers. According to the Wind Visit report, the wind energy project has the potential to support more than 600 jobs in the future. Also, according to the Wind Visit report, the project can grow up the American economy, competitiveness of global clean energy economy. Well, the first disadvantage is noise. When the wind turbo working, it will make a lot of noise. Even the small household mode will make noise. So the location of the wind turbo must be far away from house or city. Another disadvantage is a illogical problem. That wind power program may affect the wildlife, and the wind turbines can kill the birds and another flying creatures. Also, it can cause the local animal move away from the habitat. The challenge of wind energy. First is the location. Because of the noise and the economy environment and the wind stability, most of the wind turbines located in remote area, far away from cities that require electricity. So they have to build a transmission line to transfer the electricity. That will increase the cost. And then if the cost go up, and then this will reduce the competitiveness of wind power project. Therefore, how to reduce the cost of wind energy project is the main issues. The data of wind energy. The wind power generation has been valued by Western countries since 1980s. Since that, global wind energy power has been growing rapidly every year, and it has become the fifth largest power source in the world in 2016. It's about 4%. Also, wind power is not yet the main energy source of most countries. It has grown 24 times between 20,000 to 2015, and this growth rate is still increasing. As of 2011, 83 countries in the world use wind power to support their electricity requirement. And China and the United States are the first and the second most used wind power generation countries. In summary, wind energy is a renewable green energy. It will not cause pollution to the environment, but may affect the local wildlife, and improving power general efficiency and reducing cost are the main development directions of wind energy. Thank you for your listening.